Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, teachers and creative parents. Are you looking to turn your preschool corridors and classrooms into a magical learning filled wonderland? Hanging decorations are the perfect way to grab little ones' attention and make school a place they absolutely love. In today's video, we are sharing a variety of fun, colorful and educational hanging decoration ideas to brighten up your learning space. Let's start with the garden theme. Notice how these hangings, butterflies and bees add so much movement to the classroom ceiling. They aren't just pretty to look at, they are great conversation starter for the teaching kids about nature. Pair these with bright paper crafted flowers to create an indoor garden. The tricks here is to use vibrant colors like yellow, pink and bright blue to keep the environment energetic and welcoming. Are you enjoying these colorful ideas? If you want to see more DIY classroom inspirations, please hit the like button and share this video with your fellow teachers. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel and Are you enjoying these colorful ideas? If you want to see more DIY classroom inspiration, please hit the like button and share this video. With your fellow teachers. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our community so you can stay updated with all our latest craft tutorials and decoration hack. Now, let's bring in some learning. Hanging decoration can be a wonderful educational tool. Check out these fruits and vegetable cutouts. They are perfect for teaching healthy eating habits. If your students are fascinated by the world, trying hanging animal figures or different modes of transport like airplanes and cars. By hanging these at eye level or from the ceiling, you are creating an impressive environment where children learn while they play. Whether it's a buzzing bee or a speeding car, every hanging decoration adds a layer of joy to a child's day. We hope these ideas inspired you to get creative in your own classroom. Don't forget to comment below and let us which theme your student would love the most. Thank you for watching. And please like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.